Top of the afternoon, you people. My name's Mr. Cox. Today we're doing fireworks. Anyway, here we go. We're watching fireworks tonight. Even though I have seen a few, but they were off camera. One was like, pew, 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 blah, 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 blah. And I got a lot of them. There we go. There we go. I'm turning around my luck. There we go. Here we go. There's all the fireworks, guys. You can barely see them because of the shitty trees, which are over there. But you're still seeing them. If I went into the house that I know over there, if I went to my neighbor's backyard, then you'd be able to see them better. But I'm not doing that. I'm not trespassing. That's not right, guys. Don't trespass on other people's yards. Yeah, but now my luck's going back. And we're only in a minute in the video and we already saw fireworks. Come on. Light me up some more, baby. Come on. Please. Please, 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 please. I really want my viewers to see this video. Crazy fireworks. Oh, I know what I'm already going to call this video. Crazy fireworks show. That's not what I'm going to call this video. Maybe I will. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about any titles in the video yet, but it's whatever video I'm on. It's the title, hashtag whatever video I'm on. I know you guys saw that, because I saw it in the camera. Over there, I know you guys saw that, near the moon. Perfect scene. Because I know I saw that because I saw it in the camera as well. Damn it, I missed that one. It was huge. It was over there. Damn it. Come on. I want to get more lucky. Come on. Do you hear him? Turn up your volume all the way and then you hear pew, pew. I like fireworks, guys. Yes, I do like them. It's just they're amazing, y'all. It's just they're cool. They're pretty. Everybody loves fireworks. Oh, wait. Guys, you know the carnival that is near here? I might record there and show you all the fireworks. So it'd just be endless fireworks, guys. Not like this, where it's very slow. Fuck off, flies. Where it's very slow. Turn this off. Alright, guys. I will shut up. Let's see some real action. Thank you. Please watch. Come on. And I just uploaded a video. It was a face cam video. It was amazing. Recorded that like a couple minutes ago. Damn it! I missed that! Because I know the camera didn't get it. But I saw it. That's the only good part. But you guys didn't see it. Oh, I know you guys saw that, right? I'll check the video back. Damn it! I'm missing all of these. Shit! You guys are making me go out too fast, y'all. Go a little bit slower here. Please. You hear that? It went, alright, hold on. Beep. Every time I hear the I unpause the video. Oh, damn it. My battery power's at 15%. Damn it! Fuck off. Saving power, guys. Alright, guys. I know you will see this. Let's hope. Alright, guys. When it reaches up to 9 minutes, I'll show you the last firework of the night. Like, we got very lucky over there, guys. Oh, damn it. Oh God, I hope the camera got that. Well, I'll have to turn up my brightness just a little bit. There we go, good enough. They're all over there. Come on, they're all over there, guys. What the hell? What the hell? How come do I not see them? It's because of all the fucking trees. But they're all over there, trust me. We're firework watching, guys. That's what we're doing. Said that 5 minutes. Firework watching, y'all. Awesome Cox 2020. We're firework watching, y'all. July of 2020. Oh, the worst year ever because of the shitty coronavirus. Sorry for cussing, but I hate the coronavirus. Hope it goes away. You know what, guys? I think we've seen enough of the front. Out. Right. Time to go to the busy backyard. Front yard, you're done. Let's see one more firework. I did, but the camera didn't. Damn it. All right, guys. Why are there sirens going off? Oh yeah, because fireworks are illegal here. Hey, mommy, what doing? Hey, daddy, what doing? All right, guys. They're up there. Guys, turn up your brightness all the way on your phones or stuff. Alright, guys. I might end it here, and as soon as I end it, fireworks are just going to keep on coming and coming and coming. They're all over there. Oh, there they are. Alright, guys, there are all the fireworks. This is a good sight. If you go in the front, you won't get a good sight. Here we go. Here's a better sight. Alright, guys, that was a beautiful sight over there. Awesome sight. All those amazing fireworks. Yeah, you guys did see fireworks in this video. My luck is coming back. Nice. Guys, there were a lot of fireworks over there. A lot of fireworks over there, guys. So my luck has came back. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I could not see them in time, but I know you guys heard them. Where are they coming from? Oh, there they are. Guys, I have to run around a lot. Amazing firework view. They're singing now. Go Cubs, go. Go Cubs, go. Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. Nice job, Dad. Fucking work. Beep. Alright, guys, we have about a minute left of my video, so I gotta show you one more thing before I end it. Beep. Guys, sometimes if you sing the national anthem, like, at the beginning, you'll see a lot of fireworks come up. So, I'll do that as soon as I light up my own firework. Beep. Before I light it, there are fireworks over there. I want to light my own, though. Alright, guys. Beep. Here's the smoke bomb. Here we go, guys. I know you guys can't see it, but there is smoke coming out. Hold on. See, guys? See that? That's all smoke. That's amazing. Woo! Woo! See all that, guys? Yeah. Beep. One more firework and we'll be done here. Beep. They're all over there, guys. Beep. Sorry if this video gets uploaded on the 5th of July. Beep. Because this uploading will take forever. Beep. Anyway, guys, if a firework comes out while I'm doing my outro, that'll be sweet. Anyway, guys, thank you guys all for watching. Guess we'll see you guys all later. Bye. Beep. There it is. There it is. I hope you guys saw that. Anyway, guys, thank you guys all for watching. I guess we'll see you guys all later. I'm ending the episode. See you all later. I just need one more firework. I don't think you saw that, but whatever. You saw a whole lot of fireworks anyway. This is the end of the video. Boom!